Hello students, welcome to Adangal. Good evening to all.
Good evening, sir.
Let us start the discussion regarding questions based on diffraction and of course interference mixed. So this is the question. Try to solve it. So what should be done? Any idea?
Diffraction.
Yes.
Condition for these W sin theta equal to L lambda.
Yes. Then
Sir, we put it is constant from minima.
yes.
For n is equal to 1, 2, 3, this is the minima.
Okay. Then what would be the intensity?
Intensity
0. Because the diffraction minima it coincides with interference maxima. Then it is absent, na?
Yes, sir.
Then that corresponds to absent of the fringe that particular. So means the intensity at that point will be 0 if nothing is there. And this is exactly the position where the interference pattern is coming up. Okay, so at this point, because it corresponds to diffraction minima, the intensity would be 0 na? Okay, let us find the condition for interference maxima also. You will get to know. A plus b sin theta equal to m lambda. See, if m is 2, then this coincides with this, na? Okay, but of course here the allowed values are this. So it means the intensity will be 0. Clear? Because at these positions, diffraction minima will coincide with interference maxima, na? So therefore at theta equal to Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Next one. This is from IIT JAM 2015. IIT JAM 2015. Anyone? Let me tell you. Okay. So width is A, width is A, this is B. Okay. So here primary maxima, they are due to diffraction, and the secondary maxima, they are due to interference. Yes, sir. Okay, first you need to understand this. Primary maxima, this one, this central one, this one, they are due to diffraction, and then the secondary maxima are due to interference. Okay. So condition for maxima is, or condition for diffraction minima is, it depends upon the slit width. So A sin theta equal to n lambda. It means that reducing A will increase the separation between the consecutive primary maxima. Because if sin theta will increase, so will be the distance of the maxima from central maximum. Okay. So reducing A increases the width of central maxima. Or we can write diffraction maxima. Please note down. Now condition for interference maxima is, B is the separation between the slits. So reducing B increases the separation between consecutive secondary maxima. So options A and D are correct. Please read. Now check the options. So this kind of question is very, very important, which makes use of combined phenomena of interference and diffraction. Done?
Can you please repeat, sir?
These central positions, they correspond to diffraction maxima, and these positions, they correspond to interference maxima. These. So I have found the condition for diffraction minima. Between two diffraction minima, there is a central maxima. So if theta increases, width of the maxima increases. And if the width of the maxima increases, that is separation between primary maxima, it increases. So that occurs by reducing it. So that is the first option. And then in interference maxima, we have seen that if we increase the slit width or decrease the slit width, then this sine theta dash increases and hence theta dash increases. It means the separation between secondary maxima. These secondary maxima, they are due to interference. So separation between these secondary maxima, it will increase. These secondary, this separation I'm talking about. This separation, this separation, this separation, it will increase when you reduce A. And that is when you reduce B, and that is option D. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now this one. This is important. And we have just discussed what will occur. Yes, sir. Yes, Durga, very good. Now see, separation between the slits, it is directly linked with the interference maxima. If the separation between the slits is doubled, the interference pattern will converge. Na? The width of the interference maxima will decrease. It means we will be getting more interference fringes within the same distance. Are you getting me? In fact, double the number. Na? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Double the number. So this and this is wrong. And then it is getting doubled. You can see this. And then if the width of the each slit is halved, if width is halved, then the diffraction maxima, width of the diffraction maxima will become double. Here the width of the diffraction maxima it remains same from -1 to 1. You can see here -1 to 1. So this is also wrong. So the only correct option is this. Okay, because sine theta is n lambda by a. We have just discussed is the width of each slit. If this is halved, this will become double, and hence the width of diffraction maxima will become double. So making a half will double the width of diffraction maxima. Is it clear or not? No response from anyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So this has become double, and then separation between the slits is doubled. Now, for interference, we have just discussed that for interference maxima or the secondary maxima, we have this was B in that question. So this is the distance between the slits. When B becomes double, width of interference fringes will decrease, and we get more number of fringes. Is it clear? So it confirms both the things. Width is getting doubled, -2 to 2, and more fringes. See, clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Arun, nothing is audible. Are you speaking something?
चलो कोई डाउट नहीं है
Okay. One more question is there from IIT Jain. quite an interesting question. Please note down, and this is from IIT JAM 2018. Yes, Durga. Let me tell you something important regarding this. What are the colors?
Orange and blue.
Actually, it is very difficult to. Okay, let me still try. Okay. I think it is okay. This is for orange. And of course, the central maxima will be same for blue, but the width may be different. Let us, what is the difference in the wavelength?
150 nanometer.
For blue, it is less, no?
Yes, sir. Blue is 450.
For blue, it is less. So it means thickness will be less, no? Means it will be like this. It will be less wide, no?
Yes, sir.
So it will happen like this. And you can see at some point where only one color is present. For example, here, look at this region. There is a maxima of orange and a minima of blue, no? Isn't it? At this particular,
Yes, sir.
see here, at this particular point, there is a minima of blue and maxima of orange. And similarly, at this particular point, see, there is maxima of blue and minima of orange. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So let me join this with the orange color just to make sure that this is the position for the orange. Okay. This one. And the other one I will join with blue. No. Yeah, of course. That one was right. Clear? You can change it.
Yes, sir.
It is like this. Okay. Yeah. And for orange, it is theta 1, and for blue, it is theta 2. No? They have given. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the points where only one color is present is the position of minima of the other color. So let this be point A, this will be at point A. Blue is missing, no? Lambda equal to 450 nanometer is missing. And now position of minima. What is this value? $18. 0.025. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1.432.
This theta 1.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Missing is present. Therefore, how much? I think 0.033.
1.891.
Others, please also confirm these values. Durga,
Sir, I am doing another method, sir.
but still you will be getting theta 2 and theta 1, or you are directly getting the difference.
Directly getting the difference, theta 2 minus theta 1, they multiply by 180 by pi degree.
Anyone doing by this method, kindly confirm the values.
Yes, sir.
Theta 1, theta 2 and their difference. Please check them all.
Sir, can you go to previous slide? Okay, sir.
Done? Okay then. Some extra questions, important questions on optics from my side. You have to find the focal length of the mirror. Try to get the apparent depth. Real depth is given, mu is given, so try to get the apparent depth. That is also given in fact in the diagram. Okay, let me assist you. Yes, sir. See, mu is equal to real depth by apparent depth. So I have to get two apparent depths actually. One is the position of this object where it appears, and then the apparent position of this image. No, Durga. So apparent depth is real depth by mu. So real depth is it's below the water surface, no, that we have to see. So it is a little bit tricky actually. this will change, na? The distance in water. Am I clear? Or not?
So right now you're calculating the object distance, right?
Yes, yes, object. So that's why I'm using this much only, na? Because of the reflection through water, this appears to be raised. And that will be the distance of this object from the mirror. Na? And this 1.33 can be written as 4 by 3. Can I? Now I think it will be easier to solve this. Still not, huh? What is its value actually? 99.75. How much? Little bit less, 24 point something, I think. Get me this value.
I'm getting it's 25, correct? 33.25 divided by 1.33. So that's 25.
Okay, then
I also, sir.
exact 25. Really?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. It is an approximation up to 2 decimal. By writing 4 by 3, it will
Yes,
get.
sir.
Okay, then let me write 25 directly. So it is minus 40. This is the object distance. Now apparent depth for image. That will be again. What is the real depth of the image? It is given to be 25. No? What is this value now? How much?
Eighteen point eight
18.8.
0.
I don't think so, because it is 25. So there must be like 5.
18.79.
Okay, let it be 8 then. Minus 39.8 then. Okay, so now for mirror. So F is equal to UV by U plus V. Please solve this. How much?
So how did you conclude that the image and object are at a real depth? Are at their real depth? How did you identify that fact?
Read the question. Image of an object placed at the bottom. So object was placed at this point. But because of the reflection through this water, it appears to be raised for the mirror. So then I decided the object distance. And it is given that the image is from 25 centimeter below the water level. Okay? Clear? So it is given. So now what is this value?
So 19.94.
So 19.94. So it means this is the answer, no? C option. Please check everyone. Done?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting 16.94? Please tell me, students. What is the value you are getting by solving this? Someone is saying that he's getting 16.94. Okay, let me check it myself. So that is
सर हो गया सर मेरा भी
40.
19.94 यार
It is like 18.31 something. 19.3. No. I'm getting it to be 18.32. Let me check it again. 40.
Yes, sir. 18.38.
Yeah, 18.32. But still that option is nearby, that 20 centimeter. So this one is. But how some students then they are saying that they are getting 19.94?
सर 33.8 को 39.8 लिख दिया
वो तो गलत है ना?
इसलिए तो आया सर वो।
Okay.
यस सर
सर आपने भी बोल दिया था ना 39.8.
Oh, yeah, but then I saw that it is actually 33.8.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. इसीलिए शायद मिस्टेक हो.
Yes, that is the thing. So please make the correction, students. Okay, this is 33.8, not 39.8. Okay, so do the calculation with this value. So you will get this answer. Please note down, then I will make a diagram on the next slide.
Noted, sir.
Now it is given that this ray should come out of phase CD only. Means it should undergo TIR at this phase, and mu1 is greater than mu2. So it is going from denser to rarer. No? But now it is going from rarer to denser. So towards the normal, it will follow this path, and then because of TIR, it will come back. Okay, and here it can go out now if this angle is greater than critical angle. This angle. Am I right?
Less than critical angle.
No, less than critical angle. Sorry, but I think that is not required. No? Let me see.
No, sir. I think only that at that point AD में ही हो जाएगा काम.
Yes, यहाँ पे ही हो जाएगा ये. If this angle is greater than critical angle. Okay, so this is R1. Can I call this R2? So I have to focus on this R2 only, I think. And one more thing, if I extend these lines, this R1 plus R2, it is coming out to be 90. No? So R1 is coming out to be 90 minus R2. And what is the max value of R1? It will be 90 minus minimum value of R2. And the minimum value that R2 can have is critical angle. Because if this is less than critical angle, then TIR will not take place and the ray will go out from phase AD, and that is not required. That cannot happen. And we know that critical angle, sign of the critical angle, it is mu2 by mu1. So number 1, this is number 2. So you can substitute. Okay, so we have to get what? Alpha max. Means Snell's law भी apply करना पड़ेगा.
Yes, sir. At the surface AB.
But first of all, we can substitute this here, I think. No, later on, I think we will be comfortable substituting this. So according to Snell's law, at phase AB. Okay, so sin alpha max by sin R1 max, it will be mu1 by mu2. Na?
So can go to previous slide once.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Please check. A option. Na? Done.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me make the diagram. Please mute yourself.
Just by mistake. Sorry.
This is the diagram. Refractive index of block is greater than that of the liquid. It means the TIR will occur. No? It means this thing is occurring. This. It means the ray is just falling at the critical angle. I see. This. And let this radius is R. This will be a circular path, no? Because this will happen all along the surface. No? Okay. Around that point source. So it will be a circle. So this will also be IC. And what is this value? Block 10 meters. So this is given to be 10 mm. Height, no? So let's call it H. So tangent IC is R by H. Okay. So what is R? 11.54, half of it. No? What is the angle? We have to find the refractive index of the liquid. 30 degree. New block is 2.7. So 1.36. Please take.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
सर में तो वो स्पॉट का डायमीटर दिया गया ना,
Yes. Then
तो सर आपने ब्लॉक को आर क्यों मान लिया?
मैंने ब्लॉक को कब माना है? आर क्या माना है मैंने? स्पॉट को ही तो माना है मैंने रेडियस. ब्लॉक तो ये पूरा है. आई थिंक यू हैव नॉट अंडरस्टूड द क्वेश्चन. ये ब्लॉक है पूरा. ये जो लाइन जा रही है दिस इज द ब्लॉक. अब वो ब्लैक स्पॉट कैसे बनेगा? लाइट ऐसे चली गई. अब जब लाइट यहाँ पे पहुंची नहीं तो क्या बनेगा? यहाँ पे एक सर्कल बनेगा. उसको वो ब्लैक स्पॉट बोल रहा है क्योंकि वहां से लाइट आ नहीं रही, वहां पे अंधेरा होगा. ओके. उसका रेडियस मैंने आ दिया है दिस.
ओके ओके सर.
तो ये जो ब्लैक ब्लैक है ये सर्कल है. तो यहाँ 2D में ऐसे दिखाया हुआ है. तो ये सर्कल एक्चुअली ये जो ब्लैक सा यहाँ पे ब्लॉक तो ये पूरा है. ये ब्लॉक है देखो. अब मैं बना रहा हूँ उसको दोबारा. तो ये ब्लॉक होगा. ये ब्लॉक है और ब्लॉक के बाहर है वो कंटेनर है लिक्विड है उसमें ऐसे. ये चीज है. ब्लॉक का हाइट तो दे रखा है वो मैंने मेंशन किया. F is put on a plane mirror. This is the object position you can take. तो A distance से है इससे. Very good, Durga. Now three things are occurring. First, there is refraction through lens, then reflection through mirror, and then there is again refraction through lens. U is minus A. Okay, so minus 1 by U plus 1 by V, 1 by F. This. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, obviously, it is a convex lens, so the image will be formed somewhere here, na? And this distance will be V. And for plane mirror, new image will form at a distance V behind the mirror, like this. Okay. And then this will be the new position of the object for the lens. Am I right?
सर न्यू पोजीशन फॉर द लेंस वो समझ नहीं आया, बस रिफ्लेक्शन समझ आ गया.
पहले वाला समझ आ गया आपको?
जी सर, प्लेयर वाला समझ आ गया, मिरर रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा वो
यहाँ पे आ गया. This is an object for the mirror. तो मिरर इसका रिफ्लेक्शन यहाँ पे बनाएगा, ऐसे करेगा.
जी सर, वो तो करेगा.
तो उसके बाद दोबारा रिफ्लेक्शन होगा ना, रिफ्लेक्ट होके जाएगी मिरर से, तो लेंस में से दोबारा पास करेगी.
यस सर, वो तो पास करेगी.
हाँ, तो फिर उसके लिए ऑब्जेक्ट कौन सा यही बनेगा जो मिरर से इमेज बन रही है.
ओके, तो उसके लिए वर्चुअल ऑब्जेक्ट बन जाएगा.
हाँ, उसके लिए बन जाए तो उसका फिर से नया निकालना पड़ेगा, उसको यू लेके फिर से भी निकालेंगे आप.
ओके सर.
तो 2 बार और करना पड़ेगा आपको. तो कुछ दिया हुआ ना, मतलब यहाँ पे जो इमेज बनती है, लास्ट वाली जो बनती है, वो आपको दे रखा है कि A/3 है. मींस V इज गिवन फाइनल. ओके, तो डायरेक्टली लेंस का लगा दें लास्ट वाला. मिरर का तो हमने कर ही लिया. इज इट करेक्ट?
यस सर.
तो लास्ट वाले में minus 1 by U plus 1 by V is 1 by F ना. So F तो it will remain as it is ना. So nothing will change. But this U minus 1 by U we can replace it by, actually this will become initial 1 by V na, this one. Okay. So how to, so please don't get confused. Okay, I'm directly writing its value and it is given to be A/3. I think this must be clear to all. Initial जो है वो V है वो.
ये हो जाएगा.
Yes. So 4 by A is 2 by F. So A will be equal to 2F. So that is the answer. Please check. So these were some important problems from my side, which I thought I need to discuss with you because these were a little bit trickier. So now this optics part, it is finished from my side. So it is up to you. Okay. And we have also done the revision of interference and diffraction topics that we have done earlier. And this I have done especially for new students, those who have joined late, so that they do not feel that they have not done this part. But still, they will have to go for the recording because we were not having that much time. Na? That we can discuss that again. Okay. But still, I have discussed all the PYQs with you. Clear? Okay, students. Bye bye. Take care.
थैंक यू सर.
थैंक यू सर.